Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today, I will deliver lecture on trigonometry degree level chapter Summation of Trigonometrical series by C+iS method, in which I will solve all those problems in which C+iS is a binomial series. Before solving the problems, I would like to remind you some useful binomial series which will help to solve the problems. The series are: number 1 minus x to the power minus n equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n plus 1 by factorial to x square plus n into n plus 1 n plus 2 by factorial 3 x cube plus dot 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 dot. Number 2, 1 minus x to the power minus half equal to 1 plus half x plus 1 into 3 by 2 into 4 x square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 2 into 4 into 6 x cube plus dot 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 dot. Number 3, 1 plus x to the power minus half equal to 1 minus half x plus 1 into 3 by 2 into 4 x square minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 x cube plus dot 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 dot. Number 4, 1 plus x to the power half equal to 1 plus half x minus 1 by 2 into 4 x square plus 1 into 3 by 2 into 4 into 6 x cube minus dot 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 dot. Number 5, 1 minus x to the power minus 1 equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot 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 dot. These expansions are very useful to solve the problems of summation of trigonometrical series by using C+iS method. Now we solve a problem. Problem is sum the series 1 minus half cos theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 cos 2 theta minus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 3 theta plus dot 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 dot. Now we solve this. Let 1 minus half cos theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 cos 2 theta minus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 3 theta plus dot 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 dot. This equal to C. Let this is number 1. Now let minus half sin theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 sin 2 theta minus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 sine 3 theta plus dot. This equal to S. Let this is number 2. Therefore, C plus IS equal to 1 minus half cos theta plus I sin theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta minus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta plus dot. This equal to 1 minus half cos theta plus I sin theta is e to the power I theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta is e to the power I 2 theta minus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta is e to the power I 3 theta plus dot. Let this is number 3. Let e to the power I theta equal to x implies that e to the power I 2 theta equal to x square, e to the power I 3 theta equal to x cube, and so on. Therefore, theory is written as C plus IS equal to 1 minus half x plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 x square minus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 x cube plus dot. And this is equal to 1 plus x to the power minus half. This is equal to 1 plus x means e to the power I theta to the power minus half, and this will be equal to 1 plus e to the power I theta means cos theta plus I sin theta to the power minus half. This is equal to 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 plus I sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 multiply cos theta by 2 to the power minus half. We take common 2 cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 to the power minus half, and this is equal to 2 cos theta by 2 to the power minus half, and this is e to the power I theta by 2 to the power minus half. This is equal to 1 by 2 cos theta by 2 to the power half multiply e to the power I theta by 2 multiply minus half. This is equal to 1 by square root 2 cos theta by 2 multiply e to the power minus I theta by 4. This equal to 1 by square root 2 cos theta by 2 multiply cos theta by 4 minus I sin theta by 4 implies that C plus IS equal to 1 by square root 2 cos theta by 2 cos theta by 4 minus I 1 by square root 2 cos theta by 2 into sin theta by 4. This is number 4. Equating real parts of both sides, we get C equal to 1 by square root 2 cos theta by 2 multiply cos theta by 4, which is the required answer. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is sum the series half sin alpha plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 sin 2 alpha plus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 sin 3 alpha plus dot 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 dot. Now we solve this. Let half sin alpha plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 sin 2 alpha plus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 sin 3 alpha plus dot 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 dot. This is equal to S. Let this is number 1. Now let 1 plus half cos alpha plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 cos 2 alpha plus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 3 alpha plus dot 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 dot. This equal to C. Let this is number 2. Therefore C plus IS equal to 1 plus half cos alpha plus I sin alpha plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha plus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha plus dot 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 dot. This is equal to 1 plus half cos alpha plus I sin alpha is e to the power I alpha plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha is e to the power I2 alpha plus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha is e to the power I 3 alpha plus dot 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 dot. Let this is number 3. Let e to the power I alpha equal to x implies that e to the power I 2 alpha equal to x square, e to the power I 3 alpha equal to x cube, and so on. Therefore, theory may be written as C plus IS equal to 1 plus half x plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 x square plus 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 x cube plus dot 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 dot, and this is equal to 1 minus x to the power minus half. This is equal to 1 minus x is e to the power I alpha to the power minus half. This is equal to 1 minus e to the power I alpha is cos alpha plus I sin alpha to the power minus half. This is equal to 1 minus cos alpha minus I sin alpha to the power minus half. This is equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2 minus I multiply 2 sin alpha by 2 multiply cos alpha by 2 to the power minus half. This is equal to, we take common 2 sin alpha by 2 remains sin alpha by 2 minus I cos alpha by 2 to the power minus half. This is equal to 2 sin alpha by 2 to the power minus half, sin alpha by 2 minus I cos alpha by 2 to the power minus half. This is equal to 1 by 2 sin alpha by 2 to the power half. Here we may write this cos pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. This is equal to sin alpha by 2 minus I. We may write this sin pi by 2 minus alpha by 2 to the power minus half. This is equal to 1 by square root 2 sin alpha by 2, and we may write this e to the power minus I pi by 2 minus alpha by 2 to the power minus half, implies that C plus IS equal to 1 by square root 2 sin alpha by 2, and this is e to the power. We multiply this power with the power of e. This is I half pi by 2 minus alpha by 2, minus multiply minus plus, and this is equal to 1 by square root 2 sin alpha by 2. This is cos half multiply this pi by 4 minus alpha by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 minus alpha by 4. This is equal to 1 by square root 2 sin alpha by 2 cos pi by 4 minus alpha by 4 plus I multiply 1 by square root 2 sin alpha by 2 multiply sin pi by 4 minus alpha by 4. This is number 4. Equating imaginary parts of both sides, we get S equal to 1 by square root 2 sin alpha by 2 sin pi by 4 minus alpha by 4. This is the required answer. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is sum the series 1 plus half cos 2 theta minus 1 by 2 multiply 4 cos 4 theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 6 theta minus dot 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 dot. Now we solve this. Let C equal to 1 plus half cos 2 theta minus 1 by 2 multiply 4 cos 4 theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 6 theta minus dot 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 dot. Let this is number 1. Now let S equal to half sin 2 theta minus 1 by 2 multiply 4 sin 4 theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 sin 6 theta minus dot 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 dot. Let this is number 2. Therefore C plus IS equal to 1 plus half common cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta minus 1 by 2 multiply 4 cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta minus dot 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 dot. This is equal to 1 plus half cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta is e to the power I 2 theta minus 1 by 2 multiply 4 cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta is e to the power I 4 theta plus 1 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6. This is e to the power I 6 theta minus dot 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 dot. This is number 3. Let e to the power I 2 theta equal to x implies that e to the power I 4 theta equal to x square, e to the power I 6 theta equal to x cube and dot 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 dot. Therefore theory is written as C plus IS equal to 1 plus half x minus 1 by 2 multiply 4 x square plus 1 by 3 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 x cube minus dot 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 dot, and this is equal to 1 plus x to the power half. This is equal to 1 plus x is e to the power I 2 theta to the power half. This is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. E to the power I 2 theta means cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. This is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta plus I sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta to the power half. This is equal to 2 cos theta common, remains cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power half. This is equal to 2 cos theta to the power half cos theta plus I sin theta to the power half, implies that C plus IS equal to square root 2 cos theta. This is e to the power cos theta plus I sin theta is e to the power I theta to the power half. This is equal to square root 2 cos theta. This is e to the power I theta by 2. This is equal to square root 2 cos theta. This is cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2. This is number 4. Equating real part of both sides, we get C equal to square root 2 cos theta cos theta by 2. This is the required answer. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button. And if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.